by the end of the video, we'll know about protein powders, are widely recognized for their benefits in supporting muscle growth and recovery in fitness enthusiasts, but they also play a significant role in promoting hair health and growth. Hair is primarily composed of a protein called keratin. An adequate protein intake is essential for maintaining the health and growth of hair. How protein powder supports hair growth. 1. Keratin production. Hair is made up of keratin, a type of protein that provides strength and structure. Protein powders, typically rich in essential amino acids, supply the necessary building blocks for keratin production, which in turn can help strengthen hair and reduce breakage to improved hair structure. Regular intake of protein can enhance the structure of the hair shaft, making hair appear thicker and more robust. This can lead to a noticeable improvement in hair texture and volume. 3. Preventing hair loss. A deficiency in protein can lead to hair loss as the body diverts protein from hair production to more critical bodily functions. Supplementing with protein powder ensures that there is enough protein available for hair growth. Types of protein powders beneficial for hair growth. Second lesson. Maximize gains with Diabetics ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. 1. Whey protein. Rich in essential amino acids. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an excellent option for those looking to improve hair health. It contains high levels of cysteine, an amino acid that helps prevent hair thinning. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. 2. Collagen protein. Collagen is another key protein that supports hair growth by improving the dermis, the layer of skin that contains hair roots. Collagen supplements can enhance hair elasticity and strength. Tips for using protein powder for hair growth. 1. Balanced diet. Incorporating protein powder into a balanced diet ensures that you get a comprehensive range of nutrients necessary for hair growth. Pair protein intake with vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and vitamins A, C, and E2. Regular intake. Consistency is key. Regularly consuming protein powder as part of your daily diet helps maintain the levels of amino acids needed for ongoing hair growth and health. Incorporating protein powder into your diet can be a beneficial strategy for promoting hair growth and improving overall hair health. By providing essential amino acids, supporting keratin production, and preventing protein deficiencies, protein powders can play a crucial role in achieving and maintaining strong, healthy hair.